So today's topic is setting screensaver. So you might have seen that when the computer is kept idle for some time, that means you are not working on the computer, then you will see that a screen, an image or a picture will be displayed in the screen. This picture which is displayed on the screen when you are doing nothing in the computer, when the computer is in an idle position, then this screen is known as screensaver. So how can we set the screensaver? We are going to learn about that today. So let us see what are the steps to set the screensaver. So as usual, first you have from the mouse you have to give the right click on the empty space of the desktop. Then a menu with list of options will appear on the screen. In that, the last option, that is personalized option, on that option you have to click. When you click on it, a window will appear. A personalization window will appear. So in that, at the extreme right side down, there will be an option screensaver. You have to click on the screensaver option. As you click on the screensaver option, a screensaver setting window will come. And this screensaver setting window, there will be a screensaver option. In that, different screensavers will be there. So you have to select any one. And beside that, there will be a button named as preview. So you have to click on it. When you click on the preview menu, then a display will be shown of your selected screensaver. That means whatever screensaver picture you have selected, that will be shown in the desktop. Now what you have to do is, down there will be a wait box. In that wait box, how much time you want your screensaver to be there in the desktop. Suppose you have selected 5 minutes, so it will you have to click on 5 minutes. Then down there will be, at the right side down, extreme down, there will be an option, a button known as apply. You have to first click on apply. Then beside apply, there will be another button OK written on it. So you have to click on OK, and as you do that, your screensaver will be set. So when you perform the right click on the computer, this type of option will come with personalize option at the down. When you click on the personalization option, this window will be shown to you, personalization window. If you see carefully, at the extreme right side down, there is an option screensaver with red color label on it. So you have to click on that. When you click on screensaver option, this screensaver setting window will come in front of it. So here you can see different option, 3D option, blank, bubbles. These are the different images or screensaver. You can select any one. Suppose if you have selected Windows XP as a screensaver, option was there. So there you can see besides that Windows XP, there is setting, and besides setting preview. So when you click on this preview button, then that whatever you have selected, you can see in the computer screen, this is selected by you. So this will be shown in the desktop. Down again, what you will do is, down there is a wait box. There you have to set the minutes. So here 10 minutes has been set. Now what you will do, you will go down there and apply button is there at the extreme right side down beside OK and cancel. So you have to click on the apply button, then you will click on the OK, then your screensaver is set. So I'm going to provide a video, and after you watch that video, you will know how screensaver can be set. The video will be provided, a separate link will be given to you of the video.